Now we have our subscription products, but what if you want to sell multiple frequency for your subscription? For example, you want to sell monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So this is what I will show you now into this little video. So for doing that, you go to your subscription product and then you change from simple subscription to variable subscription. Then here into attributes, you want to add custom attribute. Here in the name, you want to put frequency or billing period, something like that. I will put billing period, and you want to put the values here and separate them by the vertical bar. So if you are on a Mac AZERTY keyboard like me, you need to hold Shift, Option, and L to create the vertical bar. If you don't have the same keyboard as me, unfortunately, I can't tell you exactly how to do that. But if you do a very quick Google search, you will be able to find it, I'm sure. And so for us, for example, let's do monthly. We want to do quarterly and yearly. Now that we add that, we want to save the attributes. And then we go into variations and generate variations. Okay. It created the 3 variations for us. Perfect. And now we have our 3 different variations for our subscription product. So then we can just set up the different pricing. Monthly, we have the pricing here, then quarterly, and then yearly. Okay, so we said it's $1.99 every year for the yearly option. Then for the quarterly option, we can set up, for example, 59 euros every 3 months. So every 3 months, people are going to be charged 59 euros. And then for the monthly, so we do slightly more expensive, we can do 24 euros per month. So yeah, it's a pretty bad deal. You should definitely take the yearly option. But here we go. We have our 3 different options: monthly 24 euros every month, quarterly 59 euros every 3 months, and yearly 199 every year. Okay, then for each variation, as usual, you can set up different settings if you want, or you can just keep the same everywhere. And then when you're good, you just want to update your product. And then let's refresh our page. And then as you can see, the pricing change. So it displays from 24 euros a month, and we can change to monthly, quarterly, or yearly. So here we go. Now we have a subscription with different billing period, and the customer can choose the one that suits them the best. And you can do the same thing for your subscription as well.